If every person on Earth sneezed at once, the results would be devastating. 4 omnimillion bacteria and viruses would be instantly thrown into the atmosphere, spreading disease and sickness faster than every planet in our solar system combined. The propulsion generated by the sneezes would throw Earth's orbit off by 13 picometers. This may not seem like much now, but in 14 million years, the world will have moved 10 times closer to the sun. The sound produced by the sneezes would be similar to a space shuttle taking off, permanently damaging the hearing of the youth and potentially killing the elderly. Sneezing is deadly.